Right, so in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to charge your Galaxy Watch 8 or Watch 8 Classic. Now, I'll show you different ways of charging this watch. In the box, there comes this cable, okay, with the charging part, which is a wireless charging part. So this concave end goes into this, okay, so like that. And then the other end of that cable should be connected to a power source. Now, there are plenty of power sources you can connect to. Any laptop or any charging brick can work as a power source for your watch. So for instance, for me, I like to use a power brick. I normally use this power brick from Ugreen, which is a very versatile power brick. It's way overkill for the watch, but I use it for all my appliances, my laptops, my phone, my watch. I can charge all those at the same time. And I'm going to leave some of these good charging bricks link in the description below so you can check them out. Okay, so all I have to do is connect the Type-C end into the Type-C end or port on the charging brick, and then connect it to a wall outlet, and that should charge my watch. There you go. So you can tell the watch is charging because it's going to show that animation, or you can swipe down and then you'll see the animation for the battery. It has a lightning icon there which shows it's actually charging. Now, if you don't have a power brick, you can connect this to a power bank or even your phone. Okay, so if you connect this to the Type-C port of your phone, it should charge your watch. There you go. So you can see the watch is charging. Now you can also connect this to any other device that has a bigger battery than this one. So you can connect it to a laptop, especially if the laptop has a Type-C port, and even your laptop should charge your watch. Okay, so as you can see, that's charging. So those are the different ways you can charge your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 or Watch 8 Classic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.